So, what's the meaning of differentiation? Differentiation is a mathematical tool that measures how fast a variable changes at one exact instantaneous moment, which geometrically represents the exact slope of curve at a single point. There are a lot of techniques of differentiation, like this. So now to explain about power rule. Power rule is the most easiest rule to understand. I'll just go straight forward with the example. For this example, we have fx equal to x to the power of 4, and then we want to minus x to the power of 4 with 1. Then we will have f prime x equal to 4x to the power of 3. Next, we have product rule. Product rule happens when two functions are multiplied together. For example, I have here fx equals to fx equals to gx, and then we have to multiply it together, and then we have f prime x equal to f prime x times gx plus g prime x times fx. And then for example here I have fx equal to x times x to the power of 5 times 3x to the power of 2 times 1. x to the power of 5 is fx, and 3x to the power of 2 times 1 is gx. So here we have two functions that can be multiplied together. So we will just take the f prime x and g prime x. So like the equation up here, we have x to the power of 5. Like I said before, it connect with power rule. Like here, 5 we minus with 1, we have 5x to the power of 4. And then we have gx equals to 6x, because 2 times with 3 we got 6x, and we need to minus 1. The x to the power of 2 we need to minus with 1, so we don't have any power left, so we have 6x. And then this is the final answer after we added up everything.
So I'm going to explain how to solve the equation number 2. Okay. So for equation number 2a, we have a trigo function. How we know it is a trigo? Because we can see right here it is cos. Okay, and in the bracket is angle. So if you can see closer, they have a power. So when we have a power, we need to move the power to the back. Okay, so when we move the power at the back, we get like this. Why? In bracket cos 10 to x power of 3x. Okay, after that, after we move the power, we need to identify which ones we want to differentiate first. So because we have power, we need to differentiate power first. After that, cos 10 2x, and finally 3x. So this is what we get after we have done differentiate. Okay, I just explain you guys the step. So for the equation B, when you see a two function in a rotational form, that is equation rule. So what is the formula for equation rule? Formula is vu prime minus uv prime over v squared. So from the equation given, we need to identify u and v. So u is the equation at the above, and v is equation at the below. So from the formula, list down what is u prime, v prime, and v squared. After we already list down it, just insert what we list into the formula. So when we insert what we can expand, go expand. But remember, no need to expand at the numerator, at the below function, which is v squared, because if you expand it, it's going to make you hard when you want to solve the equation. So after we expand, this is the final answer. Okay, again, I put the exponent at the back. X with x, exponent with exponent, so our answer will be more pretty. Okay, that's all for me. Hope you understand. Okay, bye.
Now I'm going to solve this question. So we will start with first step, which is differentiate each term. First we will differentiate 3xy. Because x and y are multiplied together, so we must use the product rule, which is d over dx uv equals to u dv over dx plus v du over dx. So we will let u is 3x and v is y. So this is the final differentiation of 3xy. Next term, the middle term, we will use chain rule. We will bring the 3 to the front, and the power of 3 will become 2, and then we will multiply it with d over dx in bracket 2xy. So the final differentiation of the middle term is 3 in bracket 2x plus y to the power of 2 multiplied with d over dx in bracket 2xy. The last term, which is e to the power of 6x plus 1, the derivative of e6x is 6e to the power of 6x, and the derivative of the constant 1 is simply 0. So this is the final differentiation of e to the power of 6x plus 1. Next is step 2. We need to combine all the terms back together, just like the question given. We just need to bring all the pieces back together into one equation. So initially it will look like this, and when you expand it, it will become like this. And the last step of step 2 is you need to bring dy over dx to the front, and the other you will bring it to the left. So the last step is isolate dy over dx. As from the previous step, which is step 2, you can see that there are 3x plus 3 in bracket 2x plus y to the power of 2 sit with dy over dx, right? So you need to bring the equation to the back, so it will become 6e to the power of 6x minus 3y minus 6 in bracket 2x plus y to the power of 2, divide to that equation, which is 3x plus 3 in bracket 2x plus y to the power of 2. As you can see there, the numbers in numerator and denominator is 6, negative 3, negative 6, 3 and 3. You can divide all of this with 3, so you can cancel out. 6 will become 2, minus 3y will become negative y, negative 6 will become negative 2, 3x will become x, and 3 will become 1. So after you cancel all the number, this is the final answer that you will get. So this is the answer of this question. That's all from me. I hope you get something from my video. Thank you.
Hello, so today I'm going to solve question 4. So for this, we are going to replace the number of 50.99 with x. So we get fx equal to 4 root of x plus 3 over the square root of x. So we rewrite this equation in exponent form as x to the power of 1 over 4 plus 3 times x to the power of negative 1 over 2. Then we are going to replace our given value at x 50.99, and for the linear approximation we are going to choose the nearby number from 50.99. So we choose 16. Next, we are going to replace our given point is 16. We are going to replace it in our original function. So we get 16 to the power of 1 over 4 plus 3 times 16 to the power of negative 1 over 2. So we edit them both, we get 2.75. We are going to find our fx prime with bring down the power of 1 over 4 in front. So we got 1 over 4 x to the power of negative 3 over 4 plus negative 1 over 2 times 3x. So we have to multiply this one with 3. So we got 1 over 4x to the power of negative 3 over 4 minus 3 over 2x to the power of negative 3 over 2. Then we substitute 16 in the x. So we got 1 over 4 16 to the power of negative 3 over 4 minus 3.2 times 16 to the power of negative 3 over 2. So we are going to minus 10, then we get 1 over 128. Therefore, these two value we are going to substitute in our defined function. So for the formula for this, we can find A at appendix. So this function is fx equal to fx0 plus f prime x times x minus x0. Then as you all can see, we are going to do like this by the number that we already calculated. So for the final, we got 2.7499. So in this question, that one is in 3 decimal place. So for the final, we got 2.750. So that's the final answer for this question. So that's all.